Is Apple asking for money and you're not quite sure how to give it to them? Don't worry. We'll walk you through clearing those outstanding Apple debts in under 90 seconds. First, let's talk about subscriptions or purchases made through the App Store. Open the Apple Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your Apple ID account. Select Payment Methods. This will show you all the payment methods associated with your Apple ID. If you have an outstanding balance, you will likely see a notification here. If there's an outstanding balance, tap on Add Money to your Apple ID to cover the owed amount. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Next, if the debt is related to a repair or another service, link to your Apple ID. Then open the Apple Support app. Choose the relevant topic, such as billing and subscriptions, or search for a specific issue related to your bill. From here, you'll usually find options to review invoices, manage subscriptions, or contact Apple Support directly for further assistance and payment arrangements. Finally, for Apple Card users, if you have an outstanding balance on your card, open the Wallet app. Select your Apple Card. You will see your current balance and payment options. Tap Pay Now and follow the prompts to make a payment from your linked bank account. And that's it. With these easy steps, you'll be able to settle your dues with Apple, keeping your account in good standing. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech solutions.